Waterfall Gully is one of the beautiful spots within South Australia. Getting there is pretty easy. Just search Waterfall Gully in Google Maps or Apple Maps. Just follow the instructions. It will get maybe 15 to 20 minutes to get there if you're driving in from city. Beautiful spot, beautiful scenery. I would recommend going there when it's raining. You'll be able to walk to the first falls, which is very easy, no steeps, no nothing. So the toilets are there, and the around scenery is pretty nice, very beautiful. You will enjoy the walk and you'll enjoy the falls. Enjoy.